This is the explanation for the exercise 6. The program is defined within the exercise 6 package and it imports the necessary classes for handling files. We got it here. Then the main method is established as the entry point of the program, where the path for the file to store prime numbers is defined. A file object is created to represent a directory called datos, and the program attempts to create this directory. This is here. Then directory existence check. Yes, we check if directory datos exists, and if it doesn't, an error message is printed and the program execution is terminated. Saving prime numbers. The program attempts to save prime numbers to the specified file by calling a dedicated method for this purpose. If an error occurs while saving, the exception is caught and an error message is printed. Then the program attempts to read the prime numbers from the file after saving them using another dedicated method. Again, if an error occurs during reading, the exception is caught and an error message is printed. Here we have the method for saving prime numbers. This method takes the file path as an argument and is responsible for writing the prime numbers to the file. It uses a file output stream to write to the specified file. Then we have a loop that iterates from 2 to 99 for each number. It checks if it is prime using a specific method, and if the number is prime, it is written to the file. Okay, so then we have the method reading that is used for reading prime numbers. This method handles reading the prime number from the file. It initializes a file input stream to read from the file and a string builder to store the numbers read. We have a loop that reads each byte from the file until the end of the stream is reached. If there are already numbers in the string builder, it adds a comma and a space to separate them. Each prime number read is appended to the string builder. Then we have we display all the prime numbers. That is the content of this string builder object. And last and not least, we have the method to check if a number is prime. This method checks if a given integer is prime. It returns false if the number is less than or equal to 1. It checks if the number is divisible by any integer from 2 up to the square root of the number. If it finds a divisor, it returns false. If no divisors are found, it returns true, indicating that the number is prime. If you need more details, I am here. Oh my god.